a compact single-phase AC-DC wireless power transfer converter with active power factor correction. Abstract. The main objective of this project was to develop single-phase AC-DC wireless power transfer converters, which are widely used in grid-connected systems such as wireless electric vehicle chargers. Here is our website, which you can find the 𝗙𝗍 projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From 𝗙𝗍 simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references. PowerPoint presentation. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, advantages, simulation diagram results, applications, software, hardware requirements, conclusion, references. Results of the project. A novel compact single-phase integrated power stage AC-DC WPT converter with the lowest count of power semiconductor devices is proposed to improve AC input power quality and system overall efficiency. Project was implemented and tested using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.